like the outdoor space. Even like a squash court, you're
Put
sat
me on a
and
cricket pitch.
you have like two people
Yeah,
like, playing behind you.
yeah.
It'd be terrifying.
That would be insane.
So yeah, cricket pitch. Like
Yeah. To be fair, you could do that if you walked into
Where
like.
they're gunfire. You just finished it.
Like, I open my diary to contact you. Of course. But outside that, let's have a proper catch up in the room. Yeah. It's always nice to have you. It really is.
Yeah, the ones that are like barista specific, or barista dependent. You're like, ooh.
You like walk in and you like see rappers on 20 year old, you're like
That's such a. We hope you know what you're doing.